Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you five different types of slime. Now, this is going to be somewhat satisfying, and I know how you guys have kind of been on that, so let's get into poking some slime. I suck at this. And boop! And here's our first slime. It's a green slime. It's kind of glossy, as you can probably tell. So let's poke it. Okay, that was a really good slime. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next slime. And our next one is a yellow slime. I don't know, it comes out kind of greenish on the camera that I see. But yeah, it's yellow. Trust me, it's yellow. Okay, so let's poke it. It's very satisfying. Okay, time for the next one. Beep. And here we have a blue slime. But guys, really let me know how you guys like my slime making skills down in the comments below. So yeah, let's poke this beauty. Stretch this one too. Oh, that's a good stretch. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. And here we have another green slime that was actually supposed to be a blue and yellow marble for this video, but apparently it mixed in the container. Okay, so let's give it some pokes. This one, not a lot of pokiness. Well, this one was kind of a fail. See you guys in the next video. Next slime. I believe we have one more. Okay, let's get this one started. And here it is. Here's our final slime. It's very, very big. That's very thick. Oh, can't book it yet. Okay, guys. So, let's poke it. How do you guys think that this one's gonna turn out? Good? Bad? Let me know in the comments below right now. Guys, I also got my nails done. Okay, ready? Ooh, that one's good. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. But anyways, tune in next time for another maybe slime video. Leave a comment down below, wherever it is. But anyways, guys, see ya!